Hello, my dear students. Welcome to mathematics class. Dear students, we are doing unit 10 of our NCERT book, and the name of the unit is mensuration. In this unit, I taught you how to find out the perimeter of any polygon. Until now, we have done first 11 questions of 10.1 exercise, and in which I taught you that how to find out the perimeter of any polygon, and if the perimeter of any polygon is given to us, of any regular polygon is given to us, then how to find out the side of that regular polygon. Now in this video we will do question number 12 onwards. So let's start with question number 12. So dear students, question number 12 is two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. As you can see in the figure, two sides of a triangle are given to us. The perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. The perimeter is 36 centimeter. What is the third side? This is the third side which we need to find out. Dear students, I told you always start with the given part. If perimeter is given to us, we will start the question from perimeter only, and we will start using the formula of perimeter of a triangle. Now perimeter of any polygon can be calculated by taking the sum of all the three sides. So let us take the sum. The name of the first side is AB, then the second side is BC, plus the third side is AC or CA. This is 36 centimeter. Now two sides out of the three are given to us. Let us put their values. AB is 12 centimeter, plus BC is not known to us, plus AC is 14 centimeter, is equal to 36 centimeter. So 14 plus 12 will become 26 centimeter, plus BC is there, is equal to this. Now as 26 is getting added and its own sign is positive, when it goes to other side it will get subtracted. So you will get 10 centimeter as the third side of the triangle. Therefore the third side of the triangle is 10 centimeter. So I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's do question number 13. Now dear students, question number 13. Find the cost of fencing a scare park of side 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फेंस लगाना मीन्स होता है लाइक अ स्केयर पार्क है हमारे पास, उसके आसपास बाउंड्री तैयार करना. फेंसिंग होता है कोई वायर लगाना, सो दैट नोबडी कैन एंटर इनटू द पार्क. ठीक है, तो फेंसिंग कहाँ लगाई जाती है? बाउंड्री पर जो तार होती है, लाइक यू हैव सीन अ थॉर्न वायर, जिस पर कांटेदार वायर होती है, वो लगा दी गई है एंड इट इज़ यूज टू रैप इट अराउंड द बाउंड्री. So we need to find out the total cost of the wire required to fence this park, whose side is given to us, and the rate of per meter square per meter wire is given to us. Now because we know that wire हम कहाँ use कर रहे हैं, we are using it at the perimeter, so we will use the formula of perimeter of square, because all sides of a perimeter are equal, so we can take four sides are there, so the formula will become 4 into side. So we will put the value 4 into side is 250 meter. It is given to us in the question. So from here you will get the total perimeter of the wire as 1000 meter. Means we need 1000 meter wire to fence this scare park. Now cost of 1 meter wire. 1 meter wire fencing is हमें दे रखी है कितनी? इट इज़ ₹20. सो व्हाट विल बी द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1000 मीटर वायर? 1000 मीटर वायर की कॉस्ट कितनी हो जाएगी? फेंसिंग विल बी ₹20 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000. जब भी 1 से ग्रेटर पे जाना हो तो हमेशा मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है, तो ये हमारे पास आ जाएगी. कॉस्ट विल बी ₹20,000. मीन्स वी नीड 20,000 rupees to fence this scare park. I hope it is clear to you. Question number 13. Now dear students, question number 14 you will do yourself, as a homework, because it is just similar to question number 13. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park. In 13th question, square park is given to us. Now rectangular park whose length and breadth is given to us, and at the rate of rupees 12 per meter, means we have been given a rectangular park now whose length and breadth are given to us as 175 meter and 125 meter. So हमें fencing करनी है इसकी, तो we will use the perimeter of rectangle. Formula will be 2 into L plus B. तो बेटा इसमें लेंथ और ब्रेड पुट करेंगे, यू विल गेट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. देन द स्टेप विल बी सेम. कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर वायर फेंसिंग विल बी ₹12 and you will multiply the perimeter. So this will be your homework, question number 14. Right? Now let's see question number 15. Now, dear students, question number 15. Sweetie runs around a scare park of side 75 meter and Bulbul runs around, word is around, a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Who covers less distance? So, dear student, the two girls are there, Sweetie and Bulbul. Sweetie is taking a round around a scare park and Bulbul is taking a round around a rectangular park. So who covers less distance? किसका distance? अब जो girls run कर रही हैं वो around means boundary पर run कर रही हैं. They are moving around a boundary. तो जब भी boundary की बात हो तो that means we need to find out the perimeter. तो क्या करेंगे हम? Perimeter find out कर लेंगे. So first of all we will find out the perimeter of scare park. And the formula is 4 into side. And in second case, we'll find out the perimeter of rectangular park whose formula is 2 into L plus B. So just put the value. 4 into side is 75 meter. So answer will be 300 meter. So, and here 2 into length is 60 meter plus breadth is 45 meter. So it will be 2 into 60 plus 45 will be 105. So it will be 210 meter. So from here you can compare the distance covered by Sweetie and Bulbul. So Sweetie has covered distance. Sweetie has covered 300 meters in taking the round, whereas Bulbul has covered 210 meter. So who has covered the less distance? Yes, Bulbul. This implies, this is the symbol of this implies, Bulbul has covered the less distance. और अगर आगे पूछ लिया जाए how much less, so we will subtract the 2. So I hope the question is clear to you. Now dear students, again question number 16. What is the perimeter of each of the following figures? What do you infer from the answers? तो आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि इनका perimeter find out करो. तो this question is again your homework. Let us discuss the shapes once. तो यहाँ पर you can see this is a 4-sided figure whose all the 4 sides are equal, each of 25 centimeter. That means this is a square. So its perimeter is 4 into side. Here the length is 30 centimeter, 20, 30, 20 means it is a rectangle. So its perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Again it is a rectangle, so 2 into L plus B, and it is a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is sum of all the 3 sides. So 30 plus 40 will give you 100 centimeter as the perimeter. So do question number 16 also as your homework question. So today you have 2 questions for homework, 14th and 16th. So that's all for now, dear students. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.